Hey everybody, today we are going to be checking out some Jell-o candies that I found in the grocery store. The boxes come in two colors, green and red. They are the same. When I picked them up, I didn't realize that they had exactly the same flavors, which I think it is kind of pointless to have two different colored boxes with the exact same product in it. So they have lime, strawberry, orange, lemon, cherry, watermelon, grape, peach, green apple, berry blue, raspberry, black cherry. And they could have put 6 flavors in each box and then just gave you 120 grams of those 6 flavors. So here's what the back looks like. So for 20 candies, it's 130 calories and 32 carbohydrates. Surprising to see that they put it in a bag. Smells a little floral. So it's the exact same on the inside. I have separated all of the candies, and it was hard to tell which one was the raspberry because a lot of the red ones, they're very close, so it's hard to tell. I believe I have them all separated. The only way for us to tell now is to taste them. And I put them all in the order that they have them here on the box. So we're going to start with lime. Well, that was so sour. I guess we'll try one of these ones next. That one was lime. Oh, that is sour apple. So this one's the strawberry. So what it kind of looks like is a elongated jelly bean. Nope, that's watermelon. This one should be orange. Yep, that one's orange. It's a nice lemon. That one was not a punch in the face kind of lemon. This one should be cherry. It's a very strong cherry. Tastes very good. That one tastes like strawberry. And here's the grape. So both the grape and the strawberry are very mild in their flavor. This one should be peach. Yeah, that one has a very artificial peach. A little sour. The green apple is very sour. And this one is berry blue. Yeah, that one has a very mild flavor too. And that one's not very good. Now this one should be raspberry. Yeah, that one is raspberry. That one tastes very good. And this one is black cherry. Now the black cherry one has a little bit of cherry flavor to it, but it's very muted. But the regular cherry one is very good. So in my rating, I would go for watermelon, orange, lemon, cherry, strawberry, peach, and raspberry are my top ones. My least favorite is berry blue, black cherry, grape, green apple, and the lime. So that's my rating on them. But they were very good for little Jell-o flavored candies. I would recommend picking them up and trying them for yourself. So if you guys liked the video, hit the like button down below. Comment down below if you have any suggestions for future videos. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Helps the channel grow and have a lot more content to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.